Good evening, everybody. It's safe to say that AI is changing the world. The jobs market in 2026 is tough. It might even be tougher than what we saw in 2025. However, the past 2 years have not been great, especially for tech employees. I want to give you the quick rundown over these numbers and over these facts. This is a list of tech layoffs or people impacted by layoffs in the last 12 months. You can see we have had some very intense months. For example, July 25, Intel alone laid off 21,000 people. We're looking tonight though at a different company, a company which I'm sure you've heard of, we all have, called Amazon. Just back in January they laid off 16,000 people, and they're not the only ones, but this is a story which we're seeing across the industry. So getting across this, we can see that in 2026, from Meta to Oracle to Amazon, tech companies have cut over 35,000 jobs worldwide. Remember, this is not just a UK, a US problem, this is all over the world. And this is mainly down to AI restructuring, as it's being called, right? Essentially, companies are realizing that a computer, an AI, whatever you want to call it, can do the job at a fraction of the cost, in a lot of instances, the same, or sometimes even better than a human can. And it's really worrying for a lot of tech employees. So we're seeing so many companies, 35,000 tech employees having lost their jobs across nearly 50 companies, according to layoff tracking data from layoffs.fyi. So these layoffs show that many tech companies are changing their priorities. Businesses are now investing heavily in AI development and automation and cost-cutting measures. Whilst the tech industry has always been known for its growth, we know that the rise of AI is changing how companies organize their workforces. This is one of these times where the workforce likely will never be the same again. So we can see several companies like Amazon, Oracle, and Meta are amongst the biggest names that have announced layoffs. Now, we know about Meta, but again, coming back to Amazon, I want to focus on this. Now, this is an article produced fairly recently, back on the 4th of March, so about 6 days ago, and it looks like Amazon is going to be cutting even more jobs. Now, this comes after we saw a cut of around 16,000 jobs in January, and this looks like it's going to continue because we are seeing that on Tuesday, Amazon said it will lay off, or it had laid off staff across its robotics unit, with at least 100 white-collar jobs being affected. That is the thing that I want to focus on in and of itself. We always thought it might be the people on the chains, on the work processes that get their jobs cut, but in reality, it's the white-collar workers, the middle managers. It's not the people on the production lines, right? Because these people are still needed. But a lot of middle managers, they're finding their jobs to be just essentially obsolete now. So the robotics department is the latest to be hit. Now, as I always say, guys, when we talk about these figures, we got to understand this is not just a number. This is people's lives, people's livelihoods, people's jobs, right? Not just numbers. So we regularly review our organizations to make sure that teams are best set up to innovate, deliver for our customers, Amazon said in a statement, without specifying the number of jobs cut. So, starting with a round of some 14,000 white-collar employees in October, Amazon has trimmed 30,000 corporate employees. Now, take a minute to just think about the scale of this. It's almost an incomprehensible number, right? And that's just one company since, well, really, probably about the last 6 months, right? 8 months. It's a scary time to be looking for a job in tech. It's even a scary job to have a scary time to have a job in tech, because they're not often as secure, especially at the moment, as many people once thought. So that appears to be the situation at Amazon, guys. So let me know your thoughts on that in the comments. Thank you, and goodbye for now.